In this video, I will show you how to make this Mexican meal. This Mexican meal is we will need cornstarch, guajillo chili, salt, fresh cheese, and finally we will need tomatoes and serrano chili. First, we're going to boil water. After that, we boil 5 tomatoes and 3 serrano chilies. Also, boil 4 guajillo chilies. We let them boil. Meanwhile, let's do grated cheese. When the guajillo chili is ready, we put it into the blender. Then we add a little bit salt. And we turn on the blender. When it is ready, we add it with a half kilogram of cornstarch. And we start mixing. Add 700 milliliters of water and continue mixing. Let the dough rest. Meanwhile, we're going to put 5 tomatoes and 1 serrano chili into the blender. If you want it, you can put 3 chilies. Let's turn on the blender. After that, we're going to empty the mixture into grated cheese. We will mix it with a spoon. If it's necessary, add more cheese. The final step is take a little dough and do a ball. After, we smash the ball to make a tortilla. Then we put cheese and tomato. And finally close it. We will cook the enchilada until stay ready. And finally, this is the result. We can eat it with beans, avocado, cream and curried meat.